Video will show you how to back up your iPhone anywhere hosted on a server in the world. So in this situation we have here our local laptop using Windows 10. We have our training server which is hosted on a VMware machine, but could also be anywhere in the world, or just on a physical machine, Dropbox, Hyper-V, or anything you like. And here we have our iPhone, which is connected through AirPlay and using iOS 11.2. So the first step is to do, we open our training server and we're gonna download iTunes on the training server. In this case I already downloaded, as you can see, a shortcut on my desktop. Now we click on Server Manager Dashboard. We're gonna click on our remote desktop services, which is here, and we click on collections. And after we click on collections, we gonna click on quick session collection, and here you can see the column remote app programs. We click on task, click on publish remote app programs, and then we're gonna find the iTunes, which is listed over here. Enable the checkbox, click on next. There you can see one remote app program will be installed. We click on publish, wait a few seconds. After our iTunes is published, we click on close, and now our iTunes is published on the web through our Windows server. So now we can log out. Yes, there you go. Now what we're gonna do now is go to our remote app, which we use a web browser. In this case I use Mozilla Firefox, and the domain name is still the same, which is training.remoteweb.access.com/rdweb. Click on enter. Here's our domain name, training.local, and our administrator account. We use the same account which we created before. Click on sign in, and as you can see now he has added a new icon which called iTunes. We click on iTunes, gonna pop up with a session. Yes, we want to connect to the remote app. Remote app is loading. Type in the same password, just using one account, but you could also use several accounts depending what you like. And you can all customize this dashboard for any other user. So as you can see, it says down here we are connected with remote app through our remote desktop connection. And as you can see over down here, you see iTunes with a remote desktop icon. So it is running through Mozilla Firefox. So now we have our iTunes over here with our library, which are saved in our server. And here we have our iPhone. So now what we're gonna do is connect physically the iPhone with a USB cable to our local Windows 10 machine. So let's do that. We click our USB in, and there you hear probably the sound, and it says connected. Okay, and now we're gonna wait on iTunes to see where it's gonna pop up our device, and as you can see it's already reading our iPhone, and there you go, it's now connected. And now we could say let's back up our iPhone now. And what you actually is going to do is going to back up our iPhone to our remote server, which is a very nice feature. Instead of backing your iPhone to the iCloud or to your local PC, you could also backing up remotely like an own cloud backup. So as you can see, it's synchronizing and is backing up. So if you want to double check if it's backing up actually and writing down your backups, we could go back to the server. Let's open the training server again, and let's go to the default folder where Apple uses his backups to write, take it back, restart, go to our administrator user, we click on app data, click on roaming, Apple computer, mobile sync, backup, and there it is, it's writing our backup. So it's working. You can also, of course, synchronize your own music and anything else. So if you have any question, don't hesitate to contact me. If you have any problems with your USB driver's path route to your server, you could use a remote USB driver, which could be downloaded on the internet. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.